Hello everyone. In this video, we will be covering how to address fixed keypads through Vista residential panels. On Vista residential panels, such as the 15P, 20P, and 21IP, address 16 is always enabled by default, and each keypad needs a unique address. On fixed keypads, such as the 6150 and 6150V, upon power-up, hold down 1 and 3. Enter in the keypad address, then hit star. In this video, we are using a 6150V, but for addressing purposes, the rest of the options can be left at default. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.